Joining us now is Ken Rosenfeld. He's a defense attorney in this area, and thank you for joining us tonight. So first of all, we've seen that example up in Washington, and of course a deadly example here in Stockton, of the kind of tension that you face in courtrooms. Talk a little bit about that.
Well, the courtroom environment can get extremely emotional, and this isn't TV. These are real live people and real live cases and real live emotions. You have cases that range from DUIs to felony murder cases like what happened here in Stockton. There's no script, and it doesn't follow a script, and it's unpredictable, as you saw what happened here today. It's not TV. It's live and it's emotional.
And so given that, there is a lot of security here at this courthouse, metal detectors, bailiffs in the courtrooms, and yet today we saw a defendant enter a courtroom with a sharp weapon. How does this happen?
Happens all the time. People can make weapons out of materials such as mattresses or pens or paper clips, and they have nothing but time on their hands. So if they're determined to do something, they can get a hold of enough material to be able to fashion a weapon out of it and then conceal it to bring it into a courtroom.
So you were telling me earlier you think someone may lose their jobs over court security here.
Well, and here you have a fatal case, and this isn't an unusual circumstance. Somebody should have been checking this guy. He was on trial for stabbing his girlfriend, obviously dangerous. His defense was, I did it, but I was using methamphetamine. So it's not as if he was denying that it was him. So you have a dangerous person on trial coming in and out of the courtroom. I would think that courtroom security would be on absolute high alert, and clearly somebody dropped the ball somewhere here.
Okay, questions that will certainly be asked in the days and weeks ahead. And just very quickly, you said the FBI also would likely get involved.
Well, I do believe that this would hit a federal level because of the severity of this. It's not usual that there's a shooting inside of a courtroom. It's a very unusual thing to have happen. Last I heard of it was with Ellie Nestler, which was a while ago. So somebody's going to be looking into this, and I think it will reach higher than a state level.
Okay, Ken Rosenfeld, thanks as always for your expertise tonight.